Jesse peperepe, peperepe, Jesse sugar, 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 Jesse peperepe, all the Jesse peperepe, all the Jesse sugar, sugar. How are you doing? In this video, I'm going to talk about Senegal. Yes, I'm going to be talking about Senegal. I have heard a whole lot of Senegal. I have heard about Dakar. I have heard about so many fascinating things that goes on in Senegal, and I decided to why not jump on this trend? Why not jump on the Senegal trend? Huh? Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. This is Jessie. As always, today I'm going to be talking about Senegal. I've seen a lot of YouTubers talk about Senegal, Dakar, and I'm like, this is the queen mother of Africa. Like, if they have these beautiful characteristics, then it's a place worth visiting. Then why haven't I been to Senegal? If I'm given the opportunity to go to Senegal or to Ghana, where will I want to go? Sincerely, I'm going to take the both opportunities. I was watching a lot of YouTubers. I'm talking about Senegal, doing a lot of road vlogs. I was asking myself, why haven't you been to Senegal? If I have the opportunity to choose between Senegal, Nigeria, and Ghana, where will I want to go first? One day, let me think deeply. I'm going to choose Nigeria first because that is my birth country. That is where I have all the rights. That is where my parent and family stays, so I'm going to choose Nigeria first. If you ask me to choose between Ghana and Senegal, where will I want to go? One day, I have different reasons why I want to go to Ghana, and I have different reasons why I want to go to Senegal. One of the reasons why I want to go to Ghana is because Twitter made Ghana the headquarters. So Twitter headquarters in Africa is in Ghana. So I'm going to go to Ghana to find out the reasons why Ghana was made their headquarters. Why not Nigeria? And why not Senegal? And some other African countries. So I want to go to Ghana to find out. And also to see some YouTubers that I have actually always get inspiration from. And the person of Woodmire, Marvelous Inspiration Channel, Yasmin, and Duru TV. So, and so many other Ghana YouTubers have been following of late. I want to go there to see the country that is producing these beautiful and handsome personalities. I want to go to Ghana to see so many places, so many beautiful views, and so many relaxing areas, centers, museum, parks that I have seen on so many people's channels. I want to go to Ghana to find out what is happening there. Why Ghana, 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 Ghana? These are the reasons why I would love to go to Ghana, and also to test the Ghana jollof rice. So here in Saudi Arabia, I have someone who was here. Her Ghana jollof rice is one of the rice that tastes so different. I don't know how she makes them, but the food is superb. I want to go and test the Ghana jollof rice. It is a must test for me. I know that there's a country in Africa called Senegal, but I never knew that they have so many beautiful virtues, so many beautiful things in that country. Like, they have constant light. It is true that Senegal, the population of Senegal mostly is a Muslim country, but I have read that Senegal is a place to go. Okay, UJ Space has made me to see that Senegal is one place to be. The only disadvantage about going to Senegal for me and for some other persons is because of the language issue. I heard that Senegal speaks French. I don't know how true it is, but if they speak French, I'm going to have a problem in communication because I don't know how to say good morning. I don't know how to say good afternoon or even good evening in Senegal or in French. So all the Senegalese, please, if you want me to come to Senegal, just let me know in the comment section. Teach me your language, how to say hello, the common things or phrases I should say if I come to Senegal. I heard that Dakar is the capital of Senegal, and it has whole lot of interesting places to visit, like museum, parks. It has an outstanding collection of West African and Senegalese mask, and amazing statues. I'm going to take my children to Ghana. I'm going to take my children to Senegal. Yes, these are the two top African countries that I am going to visit soon.